Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers with the Cosori 6L Turbo Blaze. Let's get cooking.
First impressions matter, and the Turbo Blaze doesn't disappoint in the looks department. With its sleek design and modern curves, it's a refreshing departure from the typical boxy air fryers out there. But it's not just a pretty face. This bad boy packs a punch with a 6-liter cooking capacity and 9 different cooking modes, including 4 turbo modes.
Whether you're frying, grilling, roasting, or even reheating, the Turbo Blaze has got you covered. Now, let's talk performance. I put the Turbo Blaze through its paces, cooking everything from caramelized onion sausages to chicken breasts and even oven fries.
And let me tell you, it didn't disappoint. The Turbo Blaze cooked everything quickly and consistently, with remarkably crisp results.
Plus, it's nearly 50% faster than previous models, thanks to its turbo modes.
Whether you're cooking for yourself or a crowd, this air fryer gets the job done in no time. Cleanup is a breeze too, with both the fryer basket and crisper plate being dishwasher safe.
And with the included recipe book and handy app, you'll never run out of meal ideas.
It's a fantastic appliance that combines speed, versatility, and style. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this air fryer is sure to elevate your cooking game. That's all for today's review, folks.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy cooking!